Hello friends, good morning. Today I am coming up with a new topic, a new module from Odoo Community Association, which is free and very useful module about price list. So the module name is product price list fixed currency rate. So on price list, when we are defining any new price list other than our company base currency, this module will allow us to set a fixed rate rather than a variable which are coming from a real currency rate if we are planning to change daily, weekly or so. So with the help of this module, you can make sure all of your product to different customers will remain same irrespective of currency conversion live rate. So how we can utilize that and what kind of advantage it has. So let's see that. First of all, I have enabled three currencies. My base currency is Indian rupees and other two currencies are Euro and USD. Now, based on these two currencies, I have already set the auto currency rate in my backend, and then I have installed this particular module on my local instance, and then I'm going into price list. So this is my main price list, which represents INR, which is my base price list. Okay, I'm not having any kind of discount or anything over here. And then I have Euro price list. So when I'm setting Euro price list, when I see and select formula, and then I select other price list, then other price list will be INR, then this particular section will appear. So if you see now, you can see the Euro to INR conversion rate, which is coming from my real-time currency rate. And then this particular module will allow me to fix a rate. So this rate will be applicable when this price list is used. So rather than I want to continue using 89.69 Indian rupees per euro, I would like to set 80 Indian rupees per euro price to have any calculation for all of my product. Okay, now how it works. And let's say I also have a Christmas USD price list, where my price list are set based on INR, and INR to USD rate is 86.7557, but I want to continue using 75 rupees as my best rate. So if I want to continue using 75, then whatever my product cost, it will convert automatically. So I have selected, let's say, metal wire. So metal wire has 100 rupees per square feet rate. That is my standard INR rate on my product template. And now on seeing why I'm selling this product to any customer anywhere. So metal wire will remain 100 rupees per square feet. So if I'm selling 100, it will become 10,000. But now if customer is from outside and he needs this into euro, then Odoo will automatically convert this into euro, considering the euro to INR conversion rate, and that is 1.25 euro per INR, that 100 rupees. So 100 rupees will become 1.25 here because my rate I have fixed is 80 rupees per euro. So this is controlled by that particular module, which is giving constant rate anywhere. So now if I want to sell this, let me increase the on hand quantity. Okay, let me just increase much, and then I confirm the order. I make a delivery of this product, and then when I create the invoice, Odoo will continue using 125 euro as the base price, and whatever the currency conversion rate which is live, it will convert into Indian rupees. So this is how from sales to accounting everything will work smoothly, because my price is controlled by fixed currency rate rather than the variable or daily change currency. And then it will work very smoothly from sales to invoice. On the other hand, if I'm selling the same product to different customers in different region based on my e-commerce journey, then we do have that in place when I wish customer to see their preferred prices when they are buying this particular product. So when customer is seeing the euro price, he will see the fixed price on website also. If he want to see USD price, then 1.33 will be USD price. So this type of things we can achieve seamlessly when we want to constantly sell irrespective of change of international currency. I want to continue selling in the same price by controlling my currency rate, conversion rate, using that module. And if I want to sell the same thing in INR also, so if I make this INR selectable and then come back to my e-commerce journey, then I will have an option to see the price in INR also. So everything will work seamlessly when I'm using this module. So always my customer will see the same price on the website, or my sales team will have the same price when they are selling on the regular sales order. So this module is very useful when you want to offer continuous fixed price based on international fixed currency rate, which is now applicable on your price list. So hope this module will help many people to utilize this particular module and offer the constant currency rate on their international sales. So that's it for today, friends. Hope you will use this module, and this module is available on version 18, and I will share this particular repo. You can download on 16, 17 and 18. All three versions are available with all other beautiful modules from OCA. Thank you guys. Good day.